Convert string date to timestamp in Python. How to convert a string in the format %d/%m/%y to timestamp?
I use CISO 8601, which is 62x faster than datetime strip time. You can learn more here.
Simply use datetime.striptime. Result. To use UTC instead of the local time zone, use .replace.
To convert the string into a date object. The way to convert the date object into POSIX timestamp depends on time zone. From converting datetime.date to UTC timestamp in Python. Date object represents midnight in UTC. Date object represents midnight in local time. The timestamps are different unless midnight in UTC and in local time is the same time instance.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.